Cleaning verbs, top 20. Kitchen cleaning.
I wash the dishes. I dry them with the kitchen cloth. I arrange the dishes in the dish rack. I wipe down the kitchen counter. I mop the kitchen floor. Bathroom cleaning. I spray the disinfectant. I scrub the tiles. I wipe the glass. I rinse it with clean water. I dust off the containers. I organize the toiletries. Living room cleaning. I sweep the floor. I collect the debris in the dustpan. I mop the floor. I vacuum the floor. I brush away the cobwebs. I disinfect the doorknobs. I dust off the shelves. I gather the dirty laundry. I fluff and arrange the pillows. I fold the clothes. I ventilate the room. I refresh the room with air freshener. So, this was it everybody. Let me know which words did you learn from the video. I look forward to them in the comment box. Happy learning!